Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets experienced a fierce trading session in a while, filled with joy and excitement that lasted for a few traders before turning into a catastrophic event. Well, it all happened by a whisker after Bitcoin reached the summit. The largest cryptocurrency by market cap hit a new all-time high of $69,200. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 85,720 points. Interestingly, Bitcoin reaching an all-time high triggered profit-taking among investors, and hence the exchanges were flooded with huge sell orders. Binance order books show the cluster of sell orders at higher price levels, with over 300 BTC worth about $20 million to be sold at $69,000 and more than 500 BTC for sale at $70,000. Additionally, the correction triggered cascading liquidations, flushing out over $1 billion worth of leveraged derivatives positions across all digital assets. The recent rally in Bitcoin was led by strong institutional investor demand post-launch of spot BTC exchange-traded funds in United States. Well, they experienced the busiest session as trading volume surpassed $10 billion as BTC's new all-time high turned into a correction. Meanwhile, early miners seem to have started selling their old block rewards, putting pressure on Bitcoin's price. Media reports suggested some large investors or so-called Bitcoin whales appeared to cash in on the record run. Still, sentiment remains supported by expectations that BTC is set for another run higher in the lead-up to its halving event expected in April. Moving on, US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs experienced net inflows of $562 million on March 4, reaching an all-time high of about $69,000. Well, this was the third largest day of inflows since they started trading on Jan 11. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust recorded the largest inflows at $420 million, followed by Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust at $404 million. Going forward, Bitcoin price hit a new all-time high. Trading volume of spot BTC ETFs hit a milestone of $10 billion. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF or IBIT saw the most volume at $3.7 billion, while the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund respectively tallied $2.8 billion and $2 billion. Well, the global crypto market cap was at $2.50 trillion mark, decreasing 0.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 33% to $256 billion. Furthermore, Ether, the second largest crypto, has seen a 6% increase to $3,800. The cryptocurrency's current price is 28% below this high, supported by a 68% increase in daily trading volume at $33.29 billion. Tether, a major stablecoin issuer, has launched a recovery tool to migrate its Tether stablecoin between different blockchains. Well, the tool aims to ensure stable access to USDT in case of disruptions in one of the multiple blockchain networks used for USDT transactions. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu has seen a 90% increase in its market cap, reaching $26.71 billion on March 5, surpassing tech companies like Zoom, Snap, eBay, and MicroStrategy. While US stock futures rose Wednesday following a sharp sell-off for all three major averages. Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.3%, S&P 500 futures rose 0.09%, and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures traded lower by 0.01%. Bitcoin was trading at $66,645, down by 0.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3.2%, trading at $3,840. Solana Sol was down by 0.5% and was trading at $131. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.5% to trade at $0.73. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $40.9, lower by 5%. Polygon's Matic was trading down by 5.2% to trade at $1. Next on the list, we have Doge, the popular meme coin. It was trading down by 8% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading down by 9.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.61, down by 5%. Talking about Polkadot's DOT token, it was down by 5% to trade at $10.1. However, Binance's BNB token was up by 1.3% to trade at $426. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Read.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with Read.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. Read.TV delivers the news that matters.
US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs experienced net inflows of $562 million on March 4, reaching an all-time high of about $69,000. Well, this was the third largest day of inflows since they started trading on Jan 11. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust recorded the largest inflows at $420 million, followed by Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust at $404 million. While the net inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs were 10 times the amount of new BTC added through mining activities. Spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume peaked at $5.5 billion, making it the second highest volume day since the product's launched. In the 2 months since their launch, spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen net inflows of $7.5 billion worth of BTC despite over $9 billion in outflows. Stanford University's student-run Blitz Fund has allocated around 7% of its portfolio to Bitcoin investments following a pitch from computer science major Cole Lee in February. Lee argued that the fund has bought Bitcoin at $45,000 and pitched BlackRock's IBIT exchange-traded fund or ETF to Blitz Fund. The student-run fund, established in 1978 in honor of Charles Blitz, manages a six-figure portion of Stanford's endowment by investing in stocks, bonds, and other assets including BTC. Lee believed that the ETF was a great opportunity for Blitz to buy Bitcoin. He speculated that breaking the all-time high of $69,000 would cover billions of shorts and increase excitement at ETHs, enhancing a volatile move to the upside. The Fantom Foundation is seeking the Singapore High Court to declare the multi-chain foundation bankrupt, which could allow it to recover $122 million that was stolen from multi-chain's Fantom Bridge last year. The foundation claims that the High Court of Singapore granted it a default judgment ruling in its legal action against the cross-chain protocol multi-chain for breach of contract and fraudulent misrepresentations. The foundation plans to use the foundation's own financial losses to petition the court to wind up the foundation and appoint a liquidator to help recover and distribute missing or frozen assets. But the court will assess the damages owed to Fantom and demand repayment from multi-chain. If approved, the liquidator would have the authority to take over the foundation's assets, claw back transactions, and recover other assets to pay back creditors it allegedly owes. Fantom plans to use the court's judgment to pave a path for all users to lodge their claims against multi-chain.